Okay. Now I can go to choose my ceiling plan. In the ceiling plan, I can go to choose my system. I can choose my air terminal. So first I have to use the supply diffuser. So first of all, I have to go for the levels, ceiling level 1 and elevation from here to level 2, the ceiling level. I can go for 2800 and I just place it somewhere here. Okay, right. And this one. And again, I can go to choose my system. I can choose my return air also, return diffuser. I will apply the return diffuser also. I can go to select around 2800 and I can able to place it somewhere here. So I have now two diffuser. One is supply, one is return. So here I will explain to you how I can able to connect these two. Right? Okay. So first of all, I can go to choose this. Okay, I can go to choose this. So when you choose this one, it's become a blue because this is a supply. When you go to choose this one, it's become, when you connect this one, it's become a magenta because this is a return duct. Right. Now I can go to choose my view. I can go to choose the section. I have to draw my section like this way. So this is a section I created. Now this section I can adjust my things, my areas. Okay. Now I can go to select in this section, right click, go to view. So I am in the view now. So when I select this one, I can click here, create the duct, and I can create the duct from here. So I can just create like this way. So now I created like a system air supplier, uh, supply air I connected here. Now I can select this one. This is a return air. Now I can select this. I can go for the create duct. I can create like this. So now you can understand the supply it's blue, return is magenta. Now you can go to choose in fine and you can able to choose in the shaded. Now you can find out the two different, and the same time you can go to choose your 3D view. Now you can find out how it will be working. So this is magenta, this is blue because this is a supply, this is a diffuser, this one. Right. Again, I can go to choose my ceiling. So this is your plan view. Now I can go back to my section view. I can go to choose my wireframe. I just remove this one, this connector. I can go to delete. Here also I can go to delete. Even return here also I will delete, and this one also I deleted. Now I can go back to my ceiling plan. I can select, I can just drag it up to here, and the same time I can select, I can drag it up to here. Now I have to use the flexible duct. So I can select from this duct and right click, go to flexible duct, and I can choose this point to my air terminal. And the same time here I will click, right click, go to flexible duct. I created from here. Now I can go to choose my 3D. Now you can understand how it will be connected like a flexible duct. So this is a way we have to create flexible duct and normal duct. So connectors are different, but so now I hope you understand how we can work on this. At the same time, when you go to select in the plan view, you can identify the colors. You can easy to identify what is the supply here, what is the return here. Okay. So I hope you understand these things.